Hi everyone, we're doing another Top Gear road trip today, and we have two teams, and we both have to find our way to Pande Manila in the heart of Marikina.
Pande Americana.
We have an interesting challenge. We have two teams. We divided ourselves into two teams, and we both have to get to Pande Americana in the heart of Marikina City. Deans, how are we going to do that?
We're gonna take two methods, old school and high-tech.
So, without further ado, let's get driving.
Let's eat.
I'm gonna rely on my navigator fully. Every left turn, every right turn, every stop will be determined by Steph. Right, Steph?
Yes.
Alright, so let's do it.
We're supposed to go to EDSA. Tama ba? Left. Oh no, pabalik yun ng ano. Pabalik ng Alabang yun. Mali. Oh my God! Sorry, agad ako. I'm sorry. Can we go here na lang?
Yeah, stop apologizing.
So tense.
We can make this road trip really fun. I'll give you some tips about how to use the map. So, nasa Pioneer na tayo. Orient the map. You have to follow you position the map in such a way na kahit nabaliktad siya, we're traveling along. But you know,
Destination natin, Pande Americana. I trust the internal GPS of the male species will help us find it, and electronic GPS also. Rest assured, makakain tayo. Hindi naman ang goal ng GPS eh. Help you find food.
Please drive safely.
Pero we don't follow female voices eh.
Turn right.
we made it to EDSA from the office. So that's an accomplishment. She just has to plot her course and we'll be fine.
Saan yung Crown Plaza? Di ba we can pull over naman kapag ano? So I can... Sige.
Nasa Lanusa Avenue na tayo. Sinusundan ko pa yung hanggang sa alam ko eh. Up to a certain point, alam ko naman yung papuntang Marikina, and past Provident, hindi ko na alam yun. So we'll really be at the mercy of technology.
Wait, ito yung San Miguel Avenue, so diretso. Bakit mawala?
Very helpful siya. If you don't follow its recommended route, yung magre-recompute siya. So far, so good.
Manggahan Village, pwede naman pumasok doon?
Probably not.
Meron din siyang built-in router. You plug your Wi-Fi dongle, magiging Wi-Fi hotspot yung pickup.
Nakalagay ba dito one way? Yung mga ganun? Amang Rodrigo.
So, nasa ISO na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa edge ng Quezon City. About to enter Marikina. Isip ko, nasa sina Steph. She lived in the South most of her life.
I wanna go back to the office.
I gave her words of encouragement na nakasalalay sa kanilang direction ng buong team nila. So far, di pa kami naliligaw. Thanks to my internal GPS.
In 600 meters, keep right.
Thank you.
I hate maps. Pero good din yung design.
We'll be eating the best pandesal in mga 1 hour, feeling ko.
We're gonna buy some food in case we don't make it there on time.
Siguro naman pwede nyo tulungan. Ano yung mga blue?
River.
Hindi. Yung blue font! Magtanong kaya ako sa gas station ba? Nasaan na po kami?
Dito, diretso lang po yan, ma'am.
Oo.
Makikita niyo po yung signboard ng Marikina.
Ayun, may signboard.
Oh, may signboard po yan.
Malapit lang po yan?
Malapit.
Or bandang right?
Right sa kanan po.
Did you get that? Dapat ako pala. Oh, signboard. Ano yung mga sign? Oh my God! Ayun yun! Sorry. Alam ko na, pinaka-reliable yung human factor. Yung magtatanong ka. Kaysa sa map, sa GPS.
Now that Steph has calmed down, we're making progress. So, that's good.
Marikina na tayo. We only have 2.7 kilometers left. And 55 minutes Have elapsed.
1 minute, 1 hour and 5 minutes elapsed. Hindi ko pa nagagamit yung map. Parang all the time nagtatanong lang ako kasi I still can't figure it out.
Pande Americana.
Opo.
Pagbaba ng tulay, yung pangatlo yung stoplight. Kia Motors, may makikita kayong Kia. Sa tapat nun, kumaliwa kayo. Labas nyo, ano na, Katipunan. Tanong nyo na yan, malapit na kayo dyan.
Kia! Turn left at Kia. Left. Ganito. Ito na. Ito na yun. I feel it. Yay! Woohoo! Nauna tayo! Yes! Yes! Woohoo! Yay! Congratulate me! Woohoo!
Parang di sincere yung congratulations.
Congrats!
Do you think you won?
I don't think I won. I know I did. With Stefano navigating.
Ah,
Ladies first.
ours is
Ay, nga pala.
1 hour 22 minutes 57 seconds.
1 hour 8 minutes. Technology and gender win.
But,
As expected.
but does relying on GPS and
Yes.
the screen, I mean, won't you be missing out on what's around you
Outside and
when you're
asking the
looking at the
manos,
screen?
right?
We met so many cool people on the way here.
Yes. Gasoline station boys.
Barangay Tanods, you
Yeah.
name it.
Kagawad. Kaya nga road trip eh. You drive, you meet people.
Hindi.
Then,
People along
people's a
the
big
way.
part of it.
Mawala lang kayo, ano speech mo? In the end, we're here to do one thing, which is eat the steak buffet. Oh, mga ready na.